You are designing a reusable Power BI template that will be distributed to team members to generate new reports. Your design must ensure that report visuals, formatting, and data connections are saved, but the file size must be minimized by excluding all underlying data. Which file type is appropriate for this objective? Option A, Power BI template file with the extension .pbit. Option B, Power BI data source file with the extension .pbids.
Option C, standard Power BI desktop file with the extension .pbix. Option D, Power BI project file with the extension .pbip. This question explores how different Power BI file formats handle data storage and metadata. Understanding the distinction between files that bundle underlying datasets versus those that only store definitions is key to managing file sizes and sharing report structures effectively.
In my view, the correct answer is option A, the Power BI template file. These files are purpose-built to preserve report metadata, including visual configurations, formatting, and data connection strings, while intentionally stripping out the data itself. This makes them perfect for distributing templates that team members can connect to their own local or enterprise datasets.
Looking at the other options, a PBIDS file is used strictly for data source connections and does not capture the report layout. A standard PBIX file includes the underlying data, which goes against our requirement to minimize file size. Finally, a PBIP project file stores model data internally, making it unsuitable for a scenario where you want to exclude data entirely. My tip for the exam is to associate templates specifically with structural definitions rather than data content.